Good morning, everybody. In the previous class of political parties, we have studied about what is a political party, the meaning of political parties, that they are the organization who come up with the same ideology, and when they win the elections, they run the government, they make policies and have the political powers. The components of the political parties, that is the leader, the active members and the followers. Then functions of the political parties have been studied. Ki we need them because we get to choose a person. We When we choose a person, then the group of these persons, they make policies, make decisions for the people and the nation. So when you are studying up these parties, let's have the types of parties system. Now, we, the people of India, follow a party system of many party system. But in the world, when we talk about the different countries, there they have only one or two party system. So first we take one party system. Like when you talk about the one party system, so we say that only one party is allowed to control and run the government. And for this, we have an example: a communist party in China is the best example of one party system. Means in this China, you can rise up, you can get your nomination for the elections, and you can fight it. But ultimately, whichever party wins, only one party, that is Communist Party, has taken over to run the government. It takes all the decision. The second is two party system. Two means, you can say bi-party system also. Bi means two party system. So in this, you can say the party system is one in which the power alternates between two parties. So here we have only two parties. The examples for this we can say is that the United States of America and the United Kingdom, that is Britain, are the example of two party system, or you can say bi-party system. Others parties may exist, contest elections, and win only few seats. So two party system has some advantages. So we can say what advantages they have. So they have a stable government. The government in this party system would be very stable, as it comes to power by a majority and thus there will be continuity of policies and program. We talked about one party system. So in one party system it is not possible. Actually it's not possible, we can say it's not possible, it is possible, but when only one party is ruling, so there is no opposition who is going to question them whether they bring any policies or not. There will be no questioning by anyone. In this, the second advantage of bi-party system is strong opposition. Means when we have two parties, one party is going to rule and the other party is going to oppose. In the bi-party system, the opposition will be very strong and effective, very strong and effective, as only one party forms the opposition. Then we can say it would be a responsible government. This system best reconciles responsiveness with efficient governance. So when you talk about, like example, you already know that bi-party system is in United Kingdom and USA, United States of America. So you can see how advanced they are, because they have two party. One party has to oppose and the other party has to work. Where you talk about China, although it is the largest, the populous country, but still has one party system. Although we have some disadvantages of the two party system, that is, the unadvantages or disadvantages are, it is undemocratic. You can say disadvantages. It is undemocratic. Sometimes the two party system is considered undemocratic as the ideological choice is limited to two parties. The opinions of people cannot be expressed properly. Then we have the second disadvantage is cabinet dictatorship. When you know that only two parties are going to rule, then in one party system also only one party is going to rule, so they have a type of dictatorship. Since the party comes to power by an absolute majority, it is difficult to remove it, and it can result in the dictatorship of the cabinet. Means person who are been elected as the MPs and MLAs, they can dictate, means they do whatever they like, whatever is in their favor, whatever benefits them. Now we have the third party system, that is many party system. So as the word says, many party system or more than three party system. So in this many party system, we can say that more than two parties have a reasonable chance of coming together to form the government. So when more than one party have the candidate, means you can say when we don't have a majority, so the parties, they try to get the other party come together, collaborate with each other and form a government and rule it. So we can call it a coalition government, government and alliance system are the specific features of multi-party system. Okay, now see, on top we have written two party system, one party system, two party system and many party system. You can call it as multi-party system also. For this multi-party system, we can say India is the best example of multi-party system. So you being the citizen of this country, you know how many political parties are there. You know very common about 2 to 3, that is Indian National Congress, BJP, Aam Aadmi Party, Bahujan Samaj Party, TMC, CPI, NCP, AITC, Trinamool, Telugu Desam Party and many more. If you don't know, then you should find it out. Okay, how many parties are there and who is the leader of that party, who is the head, where it is running, in which state it is more popular, is it a national party or a regional political party. As India runs with many parties, we have some collaboration governments. In last election also, where we talk about Delhi, at that time, first time when the election was held in last term, no party was in majority, but second time when again elections were held, or you can say that Aam Aadmi Party won more seats than any other political parties and formed the government, and now they have more opposition. The more people saying, there are more people who can express their views and opinions, and this gives more responsible responsibilities, more responsibility to do work to come and win the next elections.